tossing the running for the jackpot.
Hey, you're
in the contender, in the running. It's all the rocks in them.
Filled it with split chips.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, that's close.
They're close together. Oh, that's that one.
Next.
Next. Next. Roll out.
I mean, just Sean. He's got one right there.
Yeah,
I don't know.
that's a heavy sucker.
You want to grab your fish now?
Yep, got you, man. Next.
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 That's a nice one right there. Amazed
Yeah,
at one giant.
that's hot. That's hot.
Remember when Roger said that email?
Yeah.
I was like, Roger, why are you doing that?
Yeah. No jinxing.
Next.
Next.
Got it.
Holy guacamole.
That's Next. The champion. We are the champions.
It's not over yet, man. He's got one.
Oh, that one's going to be a close one. This one's a close one right here.
It appears that way. But this guy, he can unseat me right now.
Nope.
Nope.
Not even close.
Going once.
Yeah, but it was close.
Yeah,
You do it one more time?
No, Jackpot contender.
Do one more? No. He might have grown.
Once, twice, gone.
Team in!